Hello everyone, this is Siham from the Research and Development Department at Market Equity, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the important pairs and their price movement predictions for the day, which falls on a Tuesday, 10th of August 2021. Let's begin with the British pound versus the US dollar, where in the previous videos we said that it is moving in an uptrend in the 4-hour time frame inside the sideways movement in the daily time frame. And if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see that it formed a peak around level 1.3980, which is then rebounded downwards off of it to correct and is currently being traded around level 1.3830, which if we look at the 1-hour time frame, it resembles the lower boundary of the downwards channel, and by rebounding upwards off of it and holding above it will support the continuity of the current upwards movement, which will then continue to target the upper boundary of the downwards channel in the 4-hour time frame and then level 1.3980. If we notice the RSI indicator, then we can see that by moving around level 40, it supports the continuity of the uptrend in the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the British pound versus the US dollar. Let's move on to the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. In the previous videos, we said that the pair is moving in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame, and by rebounding down off of around level 0.9130, it will support the continuity of the downtrend. However, the pair broke upwards to this level and is currently being traded around level 0.92, which is a horizontal support area in the 4-hour time frame, and by rebounding down off of around the current levels or off of around level 0.9230, it will support the continuity of the current downtrend in the 4-hour time frame, unless the pair breaks upwards to level 0.9230. In this case, the pair will be targeting around level 0.9130 and then around level 0.9020 as primary targets in the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. If we notice the RSI indicator, then we can see that by moving above level 70 inside the overbought area, it supports the rebounding down off of around the current levels to continue with the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Let's move on to the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen. The pair is moving in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame and has recently formed a symmetrical triangle where it is currently being traded around the lower boundary of it, which by breaking down through it will support the continuity of the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame, which will then continue to target around level 79.85 and then around level 79.20. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by rebounding down off of around level 60, it supports the continuity of the current downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen. Market Equity wishes you successful trading and have a nice day.